today in the ad hoc committee, advocate Johnson, the one lokuthi testimony yakhe bebayilimamele today, she claims that General Mkhwanazi ruined the lives or livelihoods zabantu. Bathi bapha abantu bamenshine whose lives were ruined by such revelations and exposure of the deep-rooted corruption in our law enforcement and also government, whose lives were ruined. Ngisho angimini njalo. Yeah, you know, like, one this person has taken so much offense from the fact that maladministration and doesn't go right, they pointed them out. So now their whole work or history is being questioned. Bayambuza ukuthi ama cases kuke kwaba ne Zondo Commission. What's the progress or development? Nale progress yakhona ukuthi we are now in, cause like you had, is it 2 years? Like, come on. That alone, it shows ukuthi these people so I just feel like some of them, they come with this cockiness and arrogance, like nothing is gonna happen. And that's the issue. And that is the problem. Angisakhulumi is it the current minister, I guess, Cupcake une choice, and Cupcake prefers a certain like uyabathanda abantu abangathi they are aloof and strategically aloof, but you know what, this person knows better, but they know ukuthi there's power in strategic ignorance or acting blind when you know ukuthi inje le ndaba. But let me act ignorant so you can explain yourself and tell me how wrong I am, even though I know, but I will act like I don't see it that way. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Oh, sorry.